Hey guys, how are you? This is Paul checking in with you, and today I'm actually invited by one of my friends. We're gonna put this house for sale really soon, so this is a first look. And this is actually one of my favorite locations. Why? Because this is actually Serangoon, so Serangoon MRT, and of course you have NEX. As you know, Serangoon is the center of the northeast region, so it's everything. NEX is huge, and it's an interchange station with the Circle Line as well. A lot of my favorite food is here. Everybody loves Chom Chom, Serangoon Gardens. So today I'm here at Casa Cambio, and this is a very unique one-bedder. And it's on the ground floor. So as you can see, it's a really nice, it feels like it's landed, you're in your own corner. So let me just show you from the beginning. So this is of course your kitchenette area, and yeah, everything is very nice and tranquil over here, I would say. Right, because when I come in here, I feel that it's very relaxed. It's almost like a holiday home, and with plenty of sunshine as well. In this kind of times where we are needed to work from home, have meetings, have Zoom meetings, and all that, I think it's much needed, right? And yeah, just check out, the wind blowing. And then we have of course installed an awning here as well. You can of course have a very nice family bonding time, have some close friends over, have family over, have a nice little barbecue, have parties, and of course this will be the bedroom area, right? And of course, this has always been in popular demand for rental as well, because of the location of the good schools as well. So we actually wanted to put this up for sale, so we had to actually ask the tenant to actually leave a bit earlier, right? And she rented it because of school as well. Right, so yeah, I love how windy and bright it is. Okay, and the location. Okay, and you definitely get a lot of food at your doorstep, and next with all the supermarkets and stuff. So this is how it looks like. Okay, you have the vanity area over here, and you actually get storage, which they actually converted into a walk-in wardrobe, right? Okay. And then you get your master bathroom here. Okay, it's very interesting, and you actually get a gym, a pool, the usual facilities, and it's freehold. It's a nice, I would say, very quiet, very peaceful place, but when you step out, just walk a few minutes, you get all the eating choices, which I'll be heading to shortly as well. So this one is your one bedroom, ground floor, for patio lovers, right? For greenery, for the kind of open space, so you get the best of both worlds. Yeah, so let me know if you're keen. I will put this up shortly. I thought I'll just give you a first look at things. Right, I'm very sure that this will go really soon because this is very unique. Okay, I'll talk to you soon.